Hello, this is Jury Huang, a bio bee, who will deliver the latest honey-like news from the Korean bio industry to you earlier than anyone else in the world. Good to see you guys again. I'm back today to inform you of the most honey-sweet issues in South Korea's bio industry. Please don't forget to subscribe to Bio TV and set up notifications. By turning on notifications, you can receive the latest honey-like information even faster. Now then, shall we go and take a look at today's sweet news? The South Korean government has chosen the biohealth sector, which covers the vaccine, medical devices, and raw and subsidiary material industries, as a future growth engine and announced that it will make an investment of $5.3 billion by 2024 to foster the biohealth industry. In particular, the government will allocate a budget of $300 million this year alone for new drugs, innovative medical devices, and advanced regenerative medicines, which are some of the key promising areas of the biohealth industry. In addition, the government will enact the Biohealth Promotion Framework Act this year and focus on workforce training and reforming regulations. The government has also decided that it will invest more than $840 million for 10 years in the microbiome sector, which is considered a promising future biotechnology, in a bid to create a new bio-related industries and support their global expansion. Microbiome refers to the entire variety of microbes that exist in all kinds of environments, such as the human body, fauna and flora, soil and ocean, and their associated genetic information. It is utilized in various fields such as health, food, livestock farming, and the environment. Of particular note is that as it has emerged as an alternative to solving various social issues such as chronic diseases, intractable diseases, and environmental pollution. Countries around the world are actively carrying out comprehensive large-scale R&D and commercialization projects in the sector at a national level. BioTV will keep track of K-Bio's competing companies as they are poised to grow rapidly thanks to the government's intensive support in the biohealth sector. CJ제일제당, which is continuing its journey toward becoming a bio company, is set to build a vaccine manufacturing plant in the Netherlands. In November last year, CJ제일제당 acquired Dutch biotech company Batavia Biosciences for €200 million, with Batavia Biosciences set to carry out the construction of the vaccine manufacturing plant. CJ plans to invest millions of dollars in the construction of the plant with the aim to develop vaccines against scourges that occur across the world, such as COVID-19 and Ebola virus. Of particular note is that Batavia Biosciences, a recent acquisition by CJ, boasts its own production capacity for virus vaccines and gene transfer materials, which is expected to help CJ제일제당 grow further into a global bio-vaccine company. BioTV roots for CJ제일제당's unstoppable march toward becoming a global bio company. Well, that's all the honey sweet news we have gathered for you today. I will be back soon with new and even sweeter issues related to South Korea's bio industry. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on notifications. Bye.